Start recording. We were discussing on the FI sales and distribution, right? So similarly for FIMM we have P2P process, purchase to pay. Similarly, I mean even for from the SD side, which is integrated with your FI and SD, sales and distribution. Sales and distribution. When you are selling goods to the customers, that process, okay, that process like sales order, delivery of the goods, customer invoice, sending billing to the customer payment. Of course, this is your as usual process, BRS. But at the time of sales order, delivery and customer, this is something coming from the SD, sales and distribution. Of course, in between you will see what do you say, the certain entries for the inventory movement also. Okay, so let us I think we stopped at, anyone remember we stopped at this one, right? Is that correct? Creating the finished goods metal master.
Yeah,
Let us check. Let us check OMS2 and OMSK. OMS2, OMS2 ఏంటిది? OMS2 వచ్చేసి మెటల్ టైప్. సో మనం రా మెటీరియల్స్ కొన్ని వెండర్స్ నుంచి మెటీరియల్స్ని ఫినిష్ ప్రోడక్ట్ తయారు చేస్తాం. చేసిన తర్వాత ఫినిష్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఎవరికి అమ్ముతాం? ఆబ్వియస్లీ కస్టమర్స్కి అమ్ముతాం, రైట్?
customers.
Yep. So finished goods. So finished good also is type of material type. So finished goods కి మనం ఏమని ఇచ్చాం? AM గుర్తుందా ఎవరికన్నా? సో ఇది ఇచ్చాం. రా మెటీరియల్స్ AR01, ARO ఇచ్చాం. సో AFER ఇచ్చామా? దట్స్ కరెక్ట్. అమెజాన్ ఫినిష్డ్. ఓకే, ఫినిష్డ్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఫర్ M01. యాక్చువల్లీ మీకు స్టాండర్డ్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. స్టాండర్డ్ని కాపీ చేసుకున్నాం మనం. ఓకే, కాపీ చేసుకొని సో పొజిషన్ ప్రెసెంటర్, సో వాల్యుయేషన్ ఏరియా AM01. సో ఇలా కాపీ చేసుకున్నాం. క్వాంటిటీ అప్డేట్ యాక్టివేట్ చేశాను, వాల్యూ కూడా అప్డేట్ కావాలి నాకు మెటీరియల్స్లో. సో కమ్ బ్యాక్, ఇది ఆల్రెడీ సేవ్ మోడ్లోనే ఉంది, నో నీడ్ టు డూ ఎనీ చేంజెస్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద అనదర్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ కోడ్? OMSK. సో OMSK ఏంటి? వాల్యుయేషన్ క్లాస్ OMSK. సో ఫినిష్డ్ గూడ్స్కి కూడా ఒక వాల్యుయేషన్ క్లాస్ కావాలి. యాక్టివిటీ అకౌంట్ కేటగిరీ రెఫరెన్స్. సో ఫర్ ఫినిష్డ్ ప్రొడక్ట్, account category reference for finished product for AM01, AMFP. Okay, this is your account category reference. Back, valuation class, position. So valuation class ఏమని ఇచ్చి ఉంటాం? అలా ఇచ్చి ఉండకపోవచ్చు, బట్ ఇక్కడే ఉంది చూడు. వాల్యుయేషన్ క్లాస్ ఫర్ AM01 ఫర్ ఫినిష్డ్ ప్రొడక్ట్ AMFP ఇచ్చాం. ఓకే, సో ఇది రా మెటీరియల్ కోసం క్రియేట్ చేసింది, ఇదేమో ఫినిష్డ్ ప్రొడక్ట్ కోసం క్రియేట్ చేసింది. బ్యాక్, మెటల్ టైప్ అకౌంట్ కేటగిరీ రెఫరెన్స్ పొజిషన్ ఇప్పుడే కదా ఏ ఫర్ అండ్ సంథింగ్ అనుకున్నాం. సో దిస్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఫినిష్డ్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఫర్ AM0. మెటల్ టైప్కి అకౌంట్ కేటగిరీ రెఫరెన్స్కి అసైన్ చేసాం. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ది 3 డిఫరెంట్ స్టెప్స్. యూ ఆల్రెడీ కంప్లీటెడ్ దీస్ స్టెప్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ సార్? ఇప్పుడు ఫినిష్ గుడ్స్ మెటల్ మాస్టర్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. దిస్ ఈస్ వేర్ వీ గాట్ స్టక్ రైట్ ఆన్ ద అదర్ డే. సో MM01 ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి. MM01 మీ మెటల్ టైప్ ఏంటి? ఏ ఫర్, దిస్ ఈస్ కరెక్ట్, ఫినిష్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఫర్ AM01. ఇండస్ట్రీ మెకానికల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్. సో ఎవరైనా స్టార్ట్ చేశారా FISD అట్లీస్ట్ స్టార్టింగ్ సెట్టింగ్స్? నాగరాజు, ఖలీల్, వినోద్
లేదన్నా,
చేయలేదా? ఓకే ఫైన్. సో నా వీడియోస్ చూడండి, ఒక్కొక్క స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళండి.
ఓకే.
సో ఇక్కడ ఇది ఇండస్ట్రీ మెకానికల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ సెలెక్ట్ చేశాను, మెటల్ టైప్ స్పెసిఫిక్ ఫినిష్ ప్రోడక్ట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేశాను మెటల్ టైప్ది. ఓకే, సో గో బ్యాక్ టు ది సెలెక్ట్ వ్యూస్లో. Not everything is needed, but at least the sales related are required with basic data. So all are selected. Basic data 1, 2, sales related, general plant data, sales text. ఇందుకు వచ్చేస్తే storage 1, storage 2, accounting 1, 2, costing 1, 1, 2. Okay, these are not required, but at least you can see at least what are the fields that we have. So come back to the organizational levels. So what is plant? AM01, storage location AM01, sales organization AM01, distributions are also AM. This is what we defined for the FI sales distribution, these two. Click on continue. So now we are in specific our area. So 10098 system is picking one metal master. So select your finished product for AM01. Okay. So unit of measure kg and the material group 01 is standard material group. I'm just considering the standard one. If you want to create, you can create your own material group, but you can use standard one. So division, you can select your division. We already created with AM division AM01, and so this is coming from the configuration norm, and we'll see if anything is any important parameter. System will throw the error message. Go to the basic data 2. So basic data 2, I don't see anything important here. For in the metal master, you will see hundreds of fields. Okay, this is something that where the candidate should work here. Consultant will be taking care of all these fields, but our relevant, at least accounting and costing will be our relevant one. So go back to the sales arch one, unit of measure kg, division AM. So here anything specific, delivery plant, yes, AM01, metal group 01. So don't change anything, we'll see. This is not ours, but still as of now someone has assigned some GST procedure to the country India. That's the reason it's coming here. That is fine. So go back to sales org 2. So system is expecting task classifications. Let us give as of now. For now we just give exempt. At least complete the process first. Exempt. Go back to the main data. So sales org 2. Sales org 2, do we have anything? Material price, account assignment group. This is important. So GL account will be determined based on the account assignment group for materials. So we already created one account assignment group for materials. If you look at here, finished product for AM. So account assignment group for material will be in metal master. Account assignment group for customer will be in customer master. Okay, we'll come back to the customer master also. There are many fields are there. So anything else? Availability check. This one system will ask you to enter. You can just give as a no check KP. Loading group 0001. You can give the standard one. Crane. Transaction group also standard one as on pallets. Anything? Come back to the sales text. So in specific plant general data, system is asking to enter profit center. Okay, go to the sales text here. If you have some comments here, you can update here. Come back to the plant data storage location one. I don't see anything important. Go back to the okay, accounting one. Sorry, this is important. This is our relevant one now. So this is your division. Validation class is picking from the configuration. Just now we had seen the configuration, and your relevant base unit metal ledger it is activated, which is transactional based, and your company code currency and group currency. So values will be converted accordingly. So here, so your sir, one more thing here. Just remember, your finished product always it will be your standard price. Okay. Anyway, so it is as per the standard price. But if the client says this has to be your removing, then obviously we'll change it accordingly as per the client requirement. But usually it's standard. All your finished products will be with the standard price control. Okay. Come scroll down, and this is fine. System will ask you to enter standard price. Here it is asking us. So let me enter with 1 rupee. What it will say, we'll see, and come back to the accounting to no requirement here. Okay, go back to the accounting one, press enter. Accounting one, scroll down. So this has been changed your currency from local currency to standard INR to USD 20.23 USD dollar. Okay, so instead of entering 1 rupee here, let us check some value here. Okay, just remember what we are entering here. 200 is my standard price in the metal master. Go back to accounting one. So 200 has been converted to the So it is not converted. It has to convert. I'll remove this one. Let us, I'm expecting values to be converted. Okay. So 200, press enter. Already entered standard price. Okay, at the time of saving it will catch, I think, but we'll see. So click on save. Okay, press enter. Yep. See now, 10098 has been created. This is your finished product. So go back to the menu part, material, and under material you can see display. Now, let us see what are the details I've entered. Go to the organizational levels. So plant AM01, store location AM01, valuation type is not required, sales organization is AM01, distribution is also AM. Click on, so click on continue. So you will get all this data. Okay. So what are the details we entered? Base unit of measure, division, material group. This is coming from the standard configuration. So go to the basic data to nothing. Sales org 1, we entered some parameters like unit of measure, division, material group, delivering plant. We entered delivering plant. Also we entered something system was expecting, some task classification. As of now entered updated as exemption. So sales org 2, again this is coming from the configuration account assessment group. So under sales org 2, so we need to enter account assessment group. This is important. To derive the GL account, this is required. Sales plant, so under sales plant, so nothing specific, but this is transactional group is 0001, loading group is 0001, which is screen, the standard parameters. And the profit center. Go back to the sales text, nothing. Go to the plant data storage. It's a unit of measure, and I don't see anything important here. Go to the plant data storage location to profit center. It is updated automatically, and the weight kg. Accounting one, your relevant parameters are coming from the configuration here. The only thing under accounting one we need to update as your 200 standard price. Okay. So scroll down. We'll see. Come back to the accounting to nothing else. So this is all about your data. Come back. Sir, any doubts or any questions here? Creating a finished product. So most of the fields are getting updated automatically based on your configuration settings. So this finished product has been created. Now creation of customer master. So we already have created customer master. We need to extend it to the sales organization. So let us assign to the specific. Do we have one customer, sir, for our company code? So how to find out /o fbl 5n aim 01 all types, see all items. I want to see what are the different customers we have. Let us, so this is company code AM01 Srinivas, execute. One is 2001, another might be 2000, correct? Okay, let me execute directly so that I can see all the customers created for this company code. One is 2001 and one is 2002. Okay, go back to the business partner. So here select your customer number first. So here let us take 2002, press enter, click on start. Okay, double click on Santosh only, right? Srinivas and yeah, Santosh only. So we have Santosh also. So go back to Santosh here. So click on change mode. To now tell me what is the role for FISD integration? What is your role for company code data? Business partner role? Anyone? What is the role for company code data? It starts with
All zeros, no?
I'm not talking about general data, sir. I'm talking about company code data.
Company code, okay.
Okay. So FLCO, this is your company code data.
Okay.
This is your sales and organization. You are extending customer to this role. So 01. Now when I selected this role, system automatically it will populate your this tab, sales and distribution. Click on sales and distribution. Now we need to extend this Santosh to this organization, sales area. Basically sales organization plus distribution channel plus division is equal to sales area. Okay. Now sales organization AM01, your distribution channel is AM, division is AM. Now we are extending this Santosh to this sales area. Click on press enter. So system definitely it will pop, I mean it will enable the fields. Okay. So all these are not required. This is coming from the standard and also coming from the standard. So a customer pricing procedure. Okay. Select here the standard one 01 or this one standard. So let us check if we have any fields. Customer, all these are not required. You have many fields. All these fields are again, it has to be updated by the SD team initially. Shipping. So delivery property, what is the delivery property? We'll take high, and delivery plant, it's AM01. Shipping conditions, we already created in the configurations as a standard, and this is not required anything here. Billing. So under billing, you can see this is not required. Incoterms, this is, let us check this one. CF is cost insurance for just include. If, in case if this is applicable, then system will calculate accordingly and it will ask you to enter values. So terms of payment, I'm just giving 000 which is paid you immediately. Accounting. Now you see. In material master, we assigned account customer group for materials. In customer master, under billing type, we have to assign account customer group for customer master. Okay. So we already created one account assignment for customer, which is AD domestic revenues, and go back to the partner functions. So here you can see the partner functions. So now you can select this one, Control C, just enter the partner functions. Press enter, press enter, press enter, press enter, because we have different partner functions. If you remember, we created the configuration, right? So enter the different configuration settings here. Press enter. So system gives this one: sold to party, bill to party, payer, ship to party. Sometimes what happens, we sell the goods to the person like who is receiving the goods, and it might be a different party to receive the bill, and the payer could be the different person. So the person who may receive, the different person will receive the goods. Okay. One will ask to sell the goods, one will receive the goods, and one will pay the goods, and sending bill to the one party and the payer is a different person again. It could be different customers. So basically we have created the same customer ID for the different partner functions. It will be the same usually in the general in real time as well. Additional data, status. So here nothing. So that will be sufficient. No need to enter any other data. Click on partner functions, click on billing. So system gives some message here. So select here Incoterms location 1. So system is asking some location. Press enter. So here task classification TAXKD. Scroll down. So system is expecting classification. So as of now, just enter as what do you say? Classification as exempted. Click on save. Sir, you want to see one more time? What are the parameters we entered? Let us check. So we selected sales and distribution on the header. So this has been when we selected this role, sales and distribution has been enabled. Under sales and distribution, we entered sales organization, distribution channel, division, and under orders, it's so this probability is coming by itself and INR also coming by itself. The only thing we entered is pricing procedure, customer pricing, which is standard. Shipping conditions we entered as 01 and the delivering plant is AM01, delivery priority also high. Come back to the billing. So under billing, this is important. Incoterms and location one. Another important field is this one, because GL account will be determined based on the account assignment group customer. partner functions in the configuration also we defined 4 different partner functions. We need to update the same in the customer master too. So these fields we need to update in the customer master. So the finished good metal has been created, and created the metal customer master also. Basically we have not created, we extended the sales organization, sales area to the customer master. So the customer is applicable for the is relevant for the receiving the goods from company. Sir, any questions on these two settings? Many fields are there, I agree, but when you start practicing, you will get you will understand, and you will what do you say? If you are getting doubts, definitely you can ping me, or you can ask me. Looks easy or tougher? Nagaraju, Khalil, Vinod. It's not tough, but basically there are n number of fields are there. Sorry, saying something. So now the another thing, creation of condition records. This is a where system will pick the values from here. Condition records VK11. So go back to the VK11 slash O VK11. So what is the amount we had given in the metal master? Anyone? PR00. Press enter. So customer metal with release status. Continue. So system will ask you to enter the metal master. What is the metal master we created, sir? Anyone remember? Slash O MM03 98, right? So go back to the condition record for the price 98. What is this one? Release status, don't enter anything. So anyhow it's in the dark mode only. Processing status also not required. So in the metal master we entered standard price as 200, if I am not wrong. Is that correct? Anyone remember? Data, accounting one, plant is M01, continue, and we entered under accounting one, we entered as 200 rupees. So let us check. So 200 rupees. Now in the VK11, which is under condition record, what we will do, we'll enter different rate, which is 400. Okay. Unit is condition currency, which is INR. This is your per unit pricing unit. This is your usually it is 1. Don't enter anything. It will pick from your this is your kg. This will system will update accordingly. Click on save. Condition record saved. Condition display. So condition display, sales organization, distribution channel, customer, metal master, and the valid on. Execute it. So system gives these details here now. Okay, this is fine. We assign material to this customer with this rate under condition record for the PR00 with 400 rupees. But in the standard price we assigned with 200 rupees. We'll see how it works. Standard price in metal master we assigned with 200, right? In your condition record we assigned how much? 400 rupees. Now go back to the configuration settings. We updated condition records. We created the customer master. Basically we assigned. We also created finished product. 3 steps has been done. Now let us see assignment of finished goods for automatic posting. OBYC, yes. Now you tell me, sir, do we have any stock for our material master finished product? Anyone? We don't have any finished product stock, right? We don't have any stock. So how you, if there is no stock, then how you can sell stock to the customers then? So initially we need to upload the stock. So just imagine your client, they're shifting from Oracle to SAP system. So definitely you might have some finished good stock, right, in your Oracle system. So that stocks need to be uploaded in SAP system. So this is something again will be done by the MM team, but with accounting logic over there. So what we should do, what is the T code for uploading the stock uploading? MB1C or MyGo transaction. I think MB1C is removed. I think you can ignore this one. So if you enter MBYC, system will throw the error. It has been removed from what do you say? Um, what was the T code? MB1C. MB1C has been obsolete. My understanding. See, MB1C is absolute, so C note. Okay, this is something has been removed. So you just use MyGo transaction to receive your what goods? Finished product goods. So finished product goods receipt. Okay, goods receipt and order goods receipt against others goods receipt against others. Click your 561 is your movement type. Basically 561 is your initial stock upload. We don't have any stock, right, to sell the goods to the customer, so that's the reason we are uploading the data, initial inventory data. Where is the 561? So 561 is 561. Many are there, just consider the blank one. See, 561 receipt per initial entry of stock balances into unrestricted use. So basically we are uploading the initial stock balances. So this is already there. Close this one. Now what is your material master? Material master is 98, right? This is not ours. Press enter. So the value has been updated here. Finished product M01. Scroll down. Click on item OK. Go to the quantity. I want to receive quantity something around 8 quantity. Okay, 8 kgs. Where? From this plant and from the storage location. Text is goods initial stock upload. This is initial stock upload. Click on check. So system is asking to update some values here. I mean GL accounts. System is expecting some GL accounts here. Okay. So this is GBB's offsetting inventory transaction key, which comes from the OBYC. Okay. BS is initial stock upload. This BSA is used for initial stock upload. So what we should do is we need to create a GL master, initial stock upload. So go back to the FS00. So this is ours only. So initial stock upload account will be under here itself 1017. Account type is balance sheet. Finished goods initial stock upload. Assets, so we can give as the initial stock upload. Okay, copy paste it, Control C, Control V. Okay, control data can just give as why sir? SAP system message ABAP session was closed by system administrator. Why? Why this is happening like that? FS00. Assets, create one GL account 1017. So this is balance sheet and this is your assets, and you can create it as initial stock upload. Initial stock upload, go to the control data. This is balances local currency, and your sort key you can enter as per the requirement. For field status group, you can give initial stock upload, right? So if you want to assign something, then you can assign it. Material accounts, click on save. We'll see if you are getting any error. We'll see 1017. So 1017 should be assigned. Go to the goods receipt /o MIGO. So initial stock upload, we don't have any material to sell material to sell finished product to the customer. So 98, press enter. Under quantity, I'm expecting some quantity here, where under this plant and this from this location. Scroll down. So text, initial stock upload, partner is nothing. So just by material, click on check. So system is expecting one GL account for the initial stock upload for this entry, 561 entry. Okay, it's a BSA GBB. System is giving clearly GBB BSA. So go back to the configuration now. OBYC. Go to the GBB. See here, offsetting entry for inventory posting. Double click on GBB ACOA. So here, so general modification key, nothing but your BSA. Okay, this is for initial stock upload. Validation class. What will be the validation class, sir? Anyone remember? We created one validation class, right? A star. So for the finished product, FP AM FP. Okay, because we need to receive finished product against this validation class. Account, we created one GL account, which is 1017. So come here, enter 1017, press enter, click on save. Okay, so click on, let us consider our company code, Control F, AM Amazon. So Amazon group is ours. So select this one, click on continue. So we updated one initial stock upload account to VBR general modification key and respective finished product validation class. Sir, any question on this one? Anyone? So basically this one. Is that clear? Because this is very important, sir, because you should know what is the GL account that you are assigning for which against which general modification key. Okay, come back here and go back to your error mode. Continue. Again, click on check. So now system is removed that error. That error has been resolved. Now, but document is okay. So one side of account we already assigned. So let us check for the main one. So as of now, the document is okay. Click on post. So you are getting one more error. Now it is BSX related. So what is the accounting entry for the 561 movement type for the goods receipt? So accounting entry is you are receiving finished product inventory. This, since you are posting goods receipt, right? Finished product. So finished product inventory. Credit is your initial data, initial inventory data, legacy data. Can say anything. So this is getting debited and this is getting credited. And this is we already assigned one GL account. Okay, this is coming from the BSA under GBB transaction key. So this is coming under from, we have one inventory transaction key which is BSX. All your raw materials, semi finished goods will be assigned against this one. What is the transaction key? BSX. So we need to assign one finished product to BSX. Do we have GL account for the finished product? Come back here. So see here, this is raw material, right? Similarly, we'll create one more. We'll copy this one. We'll create 1018 as finished product. So this is not raw material, but this is finished product. Finished material or product. It's up to you how you want to write the description or get it from the client. Okay, control data. So balance is in local currency. Scroll down. You can enter the details here as a hotkey. Keep it as it is. Click on save. Okay. So go back to the configuration. BSX. Where is the BSX? On the top. See here, BSX inventory posting. So all inventory related postings will be done here under BSX. Select here. So this is initial that were raw material we received, right? So now we need to receive Amazon finished product for the validation class. What is your finished product material account? Just now we created. What is the account? Inventory raw material. So where is your finished product material? So here we have inventory finished product 1018. Click on save. Click on continue. Go back go back to the error mode again. So this error has to be resolved. Continue, click on check, click on post. So now system is processing the entry. So the accounting entry is for initial stock upload entry is, this is a initial stock upload. Why we are this posting? Because we don't have any inventory. The metal master is zero. The stock balance for the metal master is zero. So just imagine when you're transferring your data from legacy system, I mean from Oracle to SAP system, definitely you have to get your metadata also, right? Material data also. So that's the reason this is an accounting entry when you upload the data initially. So 49008004. So here itself you can see the display mode here. Display. So this is your document. Click on continue. So here you can see the document information. Click on FI documents. Accounting document. So you can see here inventory finished product, we debited the inventory finished product and initial stock upload as 1600. So can anyone tell me what is, how 1600 is coming here? It's picking which value, sir? Vinod, Khalil, how 1600 is coming here? No one is there in the call? Guys, 4 people are there.
Yeah.
How the value is getting calculated? అసలు వింటున్నారా?
వింటున్నా.
వింటే మీరు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలి మరి. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అసలు అది. ఏం చేశాను? ఇన్వెంటరీ లోడ్ అప్లోడ్ చేశాను నేను. ఓకే.
రైట్.
సో వాట్ ఐ వాస్ సేయింగ్, మీకు ఈ అకౌంటింగ్ ఎంట్రీ అప్డేట్ అయింది. ఇదేమో ఈ జిఎల్ అకౌంట్ బిఎస్ఎక్స్లో ఇచ్చాను, ఈ జిఎల్ అకౌంట్ ఏమో జీబీబీకి అసైన్ చేశాను. 1600 వాల్యూ ఎక్కడి నుంచి అప్డేట్ అయింది? 1600 is coming from, it is coming from where? /o mm03. సో మనది వచ్చేసి ఏంటిది అది? మెటీరియల్ మాస్టర్. ఓకే, we already posted the accounting entry, right? Select your inventory finished products. So more, this is your material master. So go back to the material master. So data, click on data. So go to the accounting one tab. So plant M01, click on continue. So you can see the stock, 8 stock. We received 8 stock and 8 stock into, and what is your price? 200. 8 into 200, 1600. 1600 is the stock. Okay, so that's the reason system is updating your value as 1600. So it is coming from the standard price from the material master. So your stock upload is updating based on the standard price. Initial stock upload is getting updated based on the standard price. Now we have total, how much we have in the metal master? We have 200 and the stock is your 8 quantity and the value is 1600. This is what we have in the material master. Material master present value. Okay, so if you look at here metal master, the 1600 value should be there. 1600 value, 1600 value. Now let us go to the, what do you say, what is your next process? Configuration settings. We have uploaded the opening stock balances. Yes, this is what we have done now. Posting. Now let us start your OTC process. Sales order. Okay, VA01. So let us go ahead and create one sales order for this one. New geo window. Click on VA01 is your sales order creation. Order type, which is standard order. OR is a standard order. So select here. Click on OR. Press enter. See standard order. Select here sold to party, and our sold to party is 2002, right? So Santosh, and just copy the same thing to the ship to party and sold to party. Everything is same in our case. Customer reference, you give something, some reference here. Okay, so back, so press enter. So enter the material. So which material you are selling the to the customer? So material, which is 98 in our case. Okay, how much quantity you want to sell? From 8 quantity, I want to sell only for 3 quantity. Now what is this one? This is also not required. Item description system will update accordingly. So see, let us see what else. So plant here, plant is nothing but AM01, and scroll to the right side. This is not required anything. Currency is INR. So here 3 quantity. I want to make it with some different amount, 400 or 500. Let us see how system is updating the values. So currency INR does not exist. Huh? Press enter. So let me enter some value here. We'll see. Okay, pricing error. Mandatory condition PR00 is missing. Okay, go to the double click here. Go to the conditions. So system is expecting value here. Okay, under conditions we have to enter the value here. So what I'll do, I'll enter the value, some value here, which is some odd number, some 600. Press enter. So the value has been entered here. 600 is 600 into 3 quantity, which is 1800. Okay, so what we entered, go to the sheet, IMPM sheet. So what we entered in the metal master, it is 200 with 8 1600. Under condition records, how much we entered? 400. Okay, so what I'll do here, I will write it as 400, and I'll write this is as a condition record. Now we are under sales order S4, and here we are purchase, how much we are charging? 600 rupees per 1 kg, which for 3 quantity, so which is 1800. 600 into 3, so 600 3. Okay, and which is 1800. So your metal master is a different, which is standard price. Under condition records we have given as a 400. Under sales order we have given as 600 to 3 1800. So go back, press enter. So here come back, click on, go to the edit incompletion log. So system is expecting some values here. Completed data, gross weight. So system is expecting some weight here. So 1 kg, and this is also 1 kg. Press enter, and this is okay. Just ignore the message. What is the next one? Select here, click on completed data, pricing, missing data, pricing, view details. So this is anyhow, this is not required. We already updated the value here. So system is updating the price. No issue on that one. Delivering plant AM01. Press enter. Yes, press enter. So click on edit, click on incompletion log. System is not updating the pricing here. Pricing is already updated here. This is not required. Okay, come back, click on edit, click on incompletion log. Now it is complete. Okay, click on save. Go back to sales document to display. So what we have done, sir? So we have entered sold to party or customer, which is Santosh, and just updated some reference ID, and updated most of the fields has been updated here automatically, like it is coming from your customer master, and this is also customer master. This one we entered as 1. material master updated and also updated quantity. And for the pricing, double click here on the material master. Under conditions, I have entered pricing as 600, which is 3 quantity is equal to 1800. Some another some relevant condition tables I just deleted, which is now irrelevant one. So come back here. So this sales order has been generated. What is the next step, sir? Come back to the configuration. Sales order has been done. So display sales order is VS03. Of course, this is also same, and from the sales document display also we can select it VS03. So next item is create cost. So why do we need this account? So account determination, delivery of goods. So during delivery of the goods, okay, we have an accounting entry. Come back to the 9 p.m. here. So I'll write it here. So at the time of delivery, what is the accounting entry? In SAP, we post debit as COGS, cost of goods sold account, and we reduce the finished goods inventory. Okay, this is your accounting document in SAP system, because you are like selling the goods and you are reducing the inventory. This is your debit and this is your credit. System will throw the error for us. This is already there in the configuration OBYC under BSX, but this cost and goods sold should be assigned to the VAX under GBP transaction key. This is required again, cost of goods sold. Okay, so let us see. Let us go to the this one. What do you say? VL01N. So we'll keep it here. /OVL01N, which is a delivery. So your order and the selection date, shipping point is, select your shipping point, which is AM01. We already created, right? See here, shipping point for AM01, press enter. Now system is delivering the quantity, this quantity to the customer. So here you have to check picking. Under picking, just enter the picked quantity as 3, the same quantity. You are picking the quantity from your warehouse, from the loading point, okay, from the your respective warehouse location. Picking is entered. Go to the loading, storage location M01. So all this is sufficient. Press enter. Click on post goods issue. Click on post goods issue. System will throw this error ACOA GBB VAX. That's what I mentioned, right? VAX. So go back here. See, go to the 9 p.m. You look at here VAX. So system is expecting one GL account for the cost of goods sold at the time of delivery. So go back to your FS00 GL account. Cost of goods sold is a expenses, right? Cost of goods sold expenses. So what I'll do, create one account which is 3009. Okay, and go to the type description, select your expenses account, and this is also expenses. This is cost of goods sold. It's a mandatory GL account that you have to create it. Cost of COGS. Control data, it's a norm, I mean it's an expense account. Click on sort key and you have to update your cost mill category, which is 1, which is primary expenses. It's again G004, which is cost accounts. Click on save. Now 3009 is your COGS account. Go back to the configuration. Here go to the GBB transaction key, double click here, and here you have to enter one more here. What was the 3 identification key? What was the error? See here, VAX. So go back to the VAX transaction, here, general modification key. This is general modification keys, which is VAX. And what is your valuation class? So we are doing it for finished product, right? So finished product valuation class. What is the GL account we defined now? 3009. 3009. Sir, are you following? 3009. Click on save, continue. Okay, we have assigned one what do you say, cost of goods sold account to the respective finished product to the respective general modification key, which is wax. Okay, 3009. So go back to the error screen, come back again here, click on, there is, click on incompleteness here. I don't see any incompleteness now. Click on, okay, click on post goods issue, not save but post goods issue. Now system is throwing another error because 3009 is a account assignment, so system is expecting some cost center here. So how do you get that, how to resolve this issue? Go back to the one more transaction code called /o okay b9, where we can default the cost center for the GL accounts for the cost elements. So new entries, and cost company code is M01, and this is, what is the GL account number? 3009. Go back to the 3009, press enter, give your cost center, click on save, click on continue. Okay, I'm defaulting one cost center for this GL account. This has to be done from OKB9 transaction. Come back here to the error mode again. Go back, click on post goods issue. So system is processing now. So here outbound to delivery has been created, saved, middle document 8005 created. Okay, for this order, sales order with this one. Now we need to send bill to the customer based on this outbound delivery 8005422. So slash, from here also we can go to the, no, it's not there, /OVF01, which is billing 805422. See here 805422, it is coming, it is copying from the delivery document. So in your next process is this one. So we created the sales order, this is your display order, we created COX GL account, we assign the GL account in the configuration, we have done the delivery goods, now delivery document has been created, billing document, now we are creating billing document for this process, we are sending billing copy to the customer, we are raising one customer invoice in, what is the T code for from the FI side? FB70, from the SD side it is VF01. So this is getting created, press enter, see here, so press enter again, press enter. Okay, so here click on save, press enter, press enter. So something is running here. So document 900004973 error in account determination. Why system is throwing error in account determination? Because we have not assigned GL account. Billing document, display billing document. So click on accounting. So it gives message saying that accounting entry has not been created. Okay, click on change mode, or you can click on display mode. No, sorry for that. Display billing document, press enter. So this is your billing document. Click on account determination analysis, click on revenue accounts, under menu environment, account determination analysis, under revenue accounts. So system is not able to find the GL account because we have not assigned any GL account. See, no GL account found for this combination, no GL account found for this combination, no GL account found. So basically we have not created the combination. Okay, so go back to the VKOA transaction /OVKOA, press enter. So see the combination here. Click on, you can just select yours, you can select this one and click on copy. Now this is application, V is nothing but your sales and distribution. Okay, sales and distribution. Condition type, it's an FI related transaction, COFI, which is account determination. Okay, and chart of accounts, what is the chart of accounts? Us is ACOA. Sales organization also we created with AM01. Account assignment group for customers. You remember anyone? We already created customer account assignment group, which is assigned in the customer master. So account assignment group, which is AM in the middle master. Account key ERL, which is revenue account. You have to change the GL account to the, what is the sales account in our case? Go back to the GL master, income, sales account is 4001. Go back to your configuration, enter 4001, press enter, click on save. Now system will post revenue to this GL account based on this configuration. Account assignment group, customer material and account key. Okay, if system is not able to find at this level, system will check the GL account at this level, next level. In case here you can see customer group, metal group. Here we have customer group, account key. If you don't define metal group here, then system will go to the next level. If the system will check for the GL account, so GL account ప్రతిసారి చెక్ చేసుకుంటుంది సిస్టమ్. ఈ ఫస్ట్ టేబుల్లో ఉందా లేదా చెక్ చేసుకుంటారు. ఒకటి లేకపోతే సిస్టమ్ విల్ గో టు ది నెక్స్ట్ సీక్వెన్స్. ఇక్కడ కూడా GL అకౌంట్ దొరకకపోతే నెక్స్ట్ సీక్వెన్స్కి వెళ్తుంది. ఇక్కడ కూడా GL అకౌంట్ దొరకకపోతే నెక్స్ట్ సీక్వెన్స్కి వెళ్తుంది. బట్ ఇన్ అవర్ కాంబినేషన్ we already created here one entry and we have already have the configuration also. Okay, so go back to the billing document. This is your billing document. System is not able to find the GL account here. Go back here, click on change billing document here, release to accounting. Now press enter. Now system has been updated, has been saved 4973. So billing document, display billing document, you can click on accounting here. See, accounting document has been posted 1703. See, accounting document is getting posted from RV document type, which is billing document transfer. We already created the number range. So your customer to sales account. So customer 01, sales is 50 account. So 1800. System is always picking from the which value? 9 p.m. System is picking from this value, pricing condition from the sales order. Any questions, guys? Anyone has any questions? This is the process. So sales order, delivery and billing. System will expect the GL accounts. Of course, now it is our, again next process, payment to the customer, to Santosh. Incoming payment from the customer. Later, after getting bank reconciliation, we'll upload the bank reconciliation, which will clear your incoming clearing account with the Santosh. Any questions, guys? So if you want the sales order now, you can go back to the sales order. You can see the entire process here. So here, this is your document flow. Click here. See, standard order, then outbound delivery, picking request, goods issue delivery, invoice and journal entry. This is your sales order complete process. If you want to see each and every process, you can click on here. You can go to the display document. This is your sales order. Come back, and this is your delivery document, display document. You can see the delivery. Come back again. This is your picking request, display document. Under delivery, we have picking. Of course, under delivery itself, we have this one, goods issue. So goods issue also. This is your goods issue. That also comes under delivery only. Okay, this is your goods issue. And invoice. This is customer billing. Under invoice billing, you will see accounting document here, or if you want to say accounting document also, you can here. If you make payment, the payment will be done for this customer invoice. Okay, so go back to the customer master Santosh once. Basically in the report you can see the values /O FBL 5N. All items, click. Okay, you can select your today's date, so it will show you today's specific transaction. So 12th, click on execute. See here 1800. Now we have to receive payment from this customer. Okay, what you will do, go back to the, what is the incoming payment from customer? Anyone remember the transaction code? Sorry for that. Accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, document entry, incoming payment, which is F-28. So let us take this date, Control C, Control V. So reference some payment, customer payment. Okay, this also payment, and you can give your house bank. If you have house bank, yes, bank we have and you can select your respective house bank account ID from which branch you want to make payment. You have to receive to which bank account we are receiving this payment from the customer. Account, we need one bank clearing account which is incoming account, since we are receiving amount from the customer. Incoming account, yes bank, right? Amount is 1800, and your customer, from which customer we are receiving this amount, which is Santosh, right? Santosh, right? Remove that one. Santosh here. Click on Santosh. Now go to the process open items. So system is expecting and it is equal in the value field. Enter the value field, today's date, press enter. Now you can see 1800. So it's double click here. So 1800 is entered. Click on document, click on simulate. 1800 has been received from the Santosh post. Now go back to the sales order mode. This is a document flow, right? Click on come back again. Click on this document flow. This has been completed. This one, basically 800 payment. Okay, in the master itself, in your what do you say? Um, FBL 151, where is the transaction? So here your invoice will get cleared. So this is done. The entire process of the sales order has been done. So here, if you want to the sales order process, the entire flow, document flow, you can see it here. And open the sales order. Under sales order, you can see this document flow, the entire process, sales order, delivery, picking, goods issue, and invoice, as well as your accounting entry for this one. It is getting updated as cleared. Yes, this is cleared. Earlier it was open. Display document. Double click on document. So yeah, if you click on your this one, what do you say, Santosh? So your 811 is a clearing document. That's the reason system has, this is nothing but your payment document. See here, double click here also, it's a payment account. So under document flow itself, I will come to know what is your amount we received from the customer. Here itself, it is cleared. The entire process has been completed. This is the sales order process, FISD process. Any questions, guys? So let us check what happened to the metal master once. Is there any impact on the metal master? Click on data, go to the accounting one tab, plant, AM01. Okay, total 5 stock, because earlier it was 8 stock. Now we already sold out 3 stock to the customer. So we have 5 stock here. Scroll down, 200 is the same value. Now inventory value is getting changed because we have only 5. 5 into 200, 1000. That is correct. 5 into 200, 1000. This is correct. So system picks from the sales order value, or else if you remember the value, then system picks from the condition record.